Grand awakening to my Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree, book a massage with me. Check out my music, NFTs, ebooks. These are great services that you'll love. Your word of the day is inner beauty. Look in the mirror and look in your eyes. The eyes are the gateway to the soul. Do you see the beauty within yourself? If you don't see the beauty within yourself, how you can expect the rest of the world to? No, give yourself the right acknowledgement. Teach people how to treat you by treating yourself well. Make sure that you're honing in and actually accepting, evolving, embracing the beauty within you, because there's only one you. There's no way they can copycat you. So make sure you stand firm and confident. Be original. I open my eyes of my heart and I direct my gaze to the light within every being. Personality and physical appearance are in the image of man. That means you can buy that off the shelves. But beauty is in the goodness and the image of God. And that's something that you can't buy, no matter how much money you have. The beauty within you is priceless. Make sure you cherish it. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.